Hello students, let us continue introduction to trigonometry. Now we discuss trigonometric ratio of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. Now first we discuss trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. First we draw a isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, that is A and this is also side A. Both sides are equal and this is your hypotenuse, this is your right angle. So this angles and this angle is equal, so each angle is 45 degree. By PGT hypotenuse can you write a square root of a square plus a square, 1a square plus 1a square, 2a square, root of 2a square is equal to root 2a. Now we write a, b, c. Sin C equal to sin C, this is your C angle, sin C perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular P upon H, value of P is A upon root 2A, root 2A. Now sin 45 degree is equal to A cancel, we get 1 upon root 2. Now cos C is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is A, so we write A. Hypotenuse root 2 upon A, root 2 upon A. A cancel, we get 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 degree, value of C is 45, so we write cos 45 equal to 1 upon root 2. Now tan 45 perpendicular upon base, we write P upon B, A upon A, that is 1. Tan 45 equal to 1. Similarly cot 45 degree equal to 1, reciprocal of tan 45, that is 1. Cosec 45 degree, reciprocal of sin 45, that is 2, root 2. Sec 45 degree, sec 45 reciprocal of cos 45, that is root 2. This is your required all trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. Now we discuss trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. First we draw an equilateral triangle ABC and each side of equilateral triangles are equal, so AB equal to AC equal to BC. Draw AD perpendicular BC, so this is your A upon 2. A upon 2, A upon 2 plus A upon 2, A. This is your 90 degree angle and each angle of equilateral triangle is 60. 90 plus 60, 150 degree and remaining angle is 30 degree. Angle A 60 degree, so if this is your 30 degree, then this is also 30 degree and angle C also 60 degree. Now in triangle ABD at angle D equal to 90 degree by PGT. AD whole square plus BD whole square equal to hypotenuse AB whole square. Now we write AD whole square plus value of BD A upon 2 whole square equal to value of AB is A square. AD whole square is equal to A square minus A square upon 4. We get 3a square upon 4. So we write AD equal to root 3a upon 2. This is your perpendicular AD. Now sin 60. This is your base angle and this is your perpendicular. Sin 60 perpendicular upon hypotenuse. AD upon AB. AB is A. Value of AD root 3a upon A. Sorry, root 3 upon 2. A cancel out, we get root 3 upon 2. Cos 60 degree. This is your base. Base upon hypotenuse. Cos 60. BD upon AB. AB A. Value of BD A upon 2 divided by A. We get A upon 2 into A. We get 1 upon 2. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Similarly, sin 30. Now, let this is your base. Sin 30. This is your sin 30. This is your AD is base. Perpendicular is BD. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. BD upon AB. BD upon AB. BD upon AB. Value of BD A upon 2. A upon 2 divide. Value of A is value of AB is A. So we write A. We get A upon 2 into A. A cancel out, we get 1 upon 2. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. This is your base in this triangle. AD upon AB. Base upon hypotenuse. AD upon AB. AD upon AB. AD, value of AD, root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 A. Upon AB, A. We get root 3 upon 2. Similarly, other angle do yourself. Now we discuss trigonometric ratio of 0 and 90 degree. This is your right angle triangle ABC. Now, trigonometric ratio of angle A, if it is made smaller and smaller in the right triangle ABC till it becomes 0, angle A becomes 0. Angle A gets smaller and smaller. The length of BC decrease. This is your first position, this is your second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, sixth position. This means AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Sin A equal to AB upon AC. Sin A equal to first we draw a triangle BCA 90 degree. This is your base, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. BC upon AC. But this means BC equal to A. This process we get BC nearest to 0. So we write 0 upon AC. So sin A is 0. Value of A 0. Sin 0 equal to 0. Angle A is close to 0. So BC gets very close to 0. So the value of sin A BC upon AC is very close to 0. So sin 0 equal to 0. Now cos A. base upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC. But AB equal to AC. So we write AB upon AB. We get 1. And angle A equal to 0 degree. So we write cos 0 equal to 1. Cos 0 equal to 1. Similarly, sin 90 equal to 1 and cos 90 equal to 0. Other angle, do yourself. Thank you.